Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Are these sandals or are they tennis shoes? Well, KIIU has made it feel like you can have both. From the minute my husband put these sandals on, he absolutely fell in love with them. He says they feel so comfortable, just like tennis shoes. He loves just to be able to throw them on and be able to go and do whatever he needs. I love the leather look on the outside, but the cushiony material on the inside, so it's nice and soft. And then you don't feel like you're going to slip around with this type of design. And it even has tennis shoe type soles. So it gives a nice overall appearance. It's very comfortable, very stylish, and my husband has absolutely loved having them. My husband hates wearing flip-flops and having something poke through his feet. So these are thick, they feel like tennis shoes, and he has been absolutely loving these. He doesn't even want to take them off his feet, and that is just our point of view.